This video is for all the professionals working on the profile of telecommunications installation and repair workers and are willing to migrate to or work in Canada. It will provide you an in-depth knowledge about the National Occupational Classification Code of Telecommunications installation and repair workers. So, let's start the video.
Hi, I am Lily and welcome to our channel A to Z Immigration Updates. We make informational and latest news videos regarding global immigration. Watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you can get the most updated immigration news and information. In Canada, every skill profile has a unique code that is called National Occupational Classification Code or NOC Code. This code tells us about the detailed information associated with a profile and regarding the key parameters like profile description or profile lead statements, key responsibility area and AMP, main job duties, employment requirements, alternative and illustrative job titles in exclusion. So, first of all, let's see the NOC code and its description for the profile of this video.
The National Occupation Classification Code or NOC code for the profile of telecommunications installation and repair workers is 7246. As per Statistics Canada, the profile description of telecommunications installation and repair workers is as follows. Telecommunications installation and repair workers install, test, maintain and repair telephones, telephone switching equipment and telecommunications equipment related to transmission and processing of voice, video signals, and other data over a variety of media including fiber optics, microwave, radio and satellite. They are employed by telephone and other telecommunications transmission services establishments.
Key responsibility area. Human Resources and Skill Development Canada has defined a proper set of job roles for every NOC code. There is not any fixed guideline for meeting all the requirements. As per the recommendation of experts, a person should meet at least 50% of the job responsibilities mentioned in the NOC code. Now let's discuss the key job responsibilities associated with your profile. So, here we go.
Main job duties of telecommunications installation and repair workers are as follows. Install, arrange, remove, and maintain telephone equipment, wiring and associated hardware. Test installed telephone systems to locate transmission faults. Repair or replace defective and damaged telephones, wire and associated equipment. Switch network installers and repairers perform some or all of the following duties. Install electromechanical, analog and digital trunking systems, circuits and equipment in telecommunications central offices and switching centers. Inspect and test trunking systems, circuits and equipment. Analyze test results and adjust, change or repair switching system, network, associated equipment, and software. Telecommunications service testers perform some or all of the following duties. Operate computerized testing systems to conduct service tests on customer lines and equipment. Determine the nature, cause and location of service trouble. Dispatch appropriate repair personnel. Complete test reports and maintain test and service records. May assist repair personnel to test lines, circuits and systems, isolate and clear cable faults and verify records. Telecommunications equipment technicians perform some or all of the following duties. Install, remove, and maintain various telecommunications equipment and related systems such as telex and facsimile machines, teletypewriters, mobile radios, cellular telephones, pagers and other telecommunications equipment. Configure operating systems and install software for access to the Internet. Inspect and test operation of telecommunications equipment. Diagnose and locate equipment faults and adjust, replace, or repair telecommunications equipment.
Employment requirements and other additional information. In this section we will discuss the employment requirements for your profile. Every job has a specific set of employment requirements associated with it. The main employment requirements factors includes 1. Type and level of formal education. 2. Specific training or apprenticeship. 3. Experience in the same or other related occupations. 4. Licenses, certification and registration to practice in a regulated profession, extra. Before moving further, let's understand the employment eligibility requirements and other additional information associated with your profile.
Following are employment requirements for the profile of telecommunications installation and repair workers. Completion of secondary school is required. Telephone and switch network installers and repairers require completion of an apprenticeship program ranging from 3 to 4 years or a combination of over 3 years work experience in the trade and some high school, college, or industry-related courses. Telecommunications equipment technicians usually require completion of a college electrical and electronics program and several months of on-the-job training or completion of a 3 or 4-year apprenticeship training program. Trade certification for communication technicians is available, but voluntary, in Nova Scotia, Alberta, British Columbia, the Northwest Territories and Nunavut. Experience as an installer and repairer, telephone and switch network, is usually required for service testers.
Illustrative job titles and exclusions. Every job role or employment can have multiple profile titles. So if you are not able to find the exact job title for your profile, then you need not to worry. Now we will see the list of illustrative and alternative titles for your profile. This section is a list of titles commonly used in the labor market. We will also see the exclusions list, that is the list of titles that cannot be covered under your profile. So let's have a glimpse of it.
Illustrative titles for the profile of telecommunications installation and repair workers are as follows: Apprentice Communication Electrician, Switching. Cellular Telephone Technician. Exchange Tester, Telecommunications. Mobile Radio Installer. The list is quite large, so, if you want to read all the alternative profile titles, then you can pause this video and can have a proper glimpse. Now let's see the exclusion list. Electronic Service Technicians, Household and Business Equipment, C2242. Electronic Service Technicians, Household and Business Equipment. Supervisors of Telecommunication Installation and Repair Workers, C7202. Contractors and Supervisors, Electrical Trades and Telecommunications Occupations. Telecommunications Line and Cable Workers, C7245. Telecommunications Line and Cable Workers. So, this was all about the profile of telecommunications installation and repair workers with NOC Code 7246.
We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited helps you to migrate to Canada on work permit or on PR. Our motive is to convert your immigration dreams into reality. We assist you in Canadian-style resume and cover letter preparation, mapping the best employment opportunities with your skill set, employment consultation and job search, online skill profile preparation and branding, education credential assessment filing Canada, migration skill assessment filing Australia, expression of interest EOI filing, LMIA, work visa, PR, business visa filing. If you need any further information, then you can contact our team of expert registered migration and employment consultants. Our team will help you to explore the employment, work visa and other immigration opportunities for your profile in Canada and Australia. Click on the booking link mentioned in the description to reserve an expert session for a detailed discussion to explore your immigration opportunities. We also assist employers to file LMIA with Employment and Social Development Canada (ESDC). So if you are an employer in Canada, we can help you to get the best manpower for your company. Canadian immigration is a merit-based immigration process, and your selection under most of the immigration programs depends upon your age, education, experience, English language capability, spouse's educations and experience, employment availability through LMIA, provincial nomination extra. We at Brain Drain Consultants Private Limited provide a one-stop online platform with all kind of immigration services for our global customers. You can have online consultancy sessions, assessment application filing and all kind of visa processing assistance by our team of experts. If you want to do a self-assessment and check your eligibility for immigration, then click on the link attached in the description and download our app to do your immigration assessment yourself. Also watch our other videos related to work visa filing and finding a job in Canada from your home country. So, if you like our video then don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the most updated information regarding global immigration. Thanks, and we will meet again with another informative video soon.